Hey there, you have an SFS gear type pump. Proper maintenance and care will ensure that there are no hiccups in production. I want to walk you through how to disassemble the pump so it can be properly cleaned. The only tools you will need are the 5mm T-handle hex that came with your pump and a small flathead screwdriver. Before we start, remove your hopper. You ready? Okay, first remove any spouts and extensions by removing the lock nut. Use your hands and remove the 4 thumb screws. Depending on your product being used, sometimes the housing will stick to the pump cover. If that happens, take 2 of the thumb screws and screw them into the left and right side of the pump housing like this. Don't forget to set the screws properly by turning the screws counterclockwise before clockwise, also known as CCBC. Once the housing separates from the pump cover, now remove the 2 screws from the housing to prevent damaging them. Remove the pump housing from the pump cover. Remove the gear impellers from the pump cover. Using your flathead screwdriver, remove the orange O-ring from the pump cover. Flip the pump cover over and use your 5mm hex to remove the 3 screws from the plate drive assembly. Remove the plate drive assembly. Don't forget to remove the shaft seal. You see the blue nylon bearing in the pump housing? Use your flathead screwdriver and gently remove it. Okay, now that the pump is in pieces, you need to clean everything really well with dish detergent and warm water. Only use soft sponges and brushes, and never use metal scouring pads or steel wool. Once you have cleaned all of the parts, dry them completely. This is a good time to inspect your O-rings, shaft seals, and bearings. It's always a good idea to keep some of these parts on hand. You can always purchase spare parts from Edhard. Just give us a call and we can ship them out to you. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button and then the subscribe button for more helpful videos.